Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about appointment and person. We are aware that recently maximum persons have got different types of appointment. Among them, I have chosen important one. Already I had made who is who in the playlist. You can have a look in the playlist of current affairs. So let us start with the appointment as well as person. So initially we have Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. So we know that recently chairman of NHAI. What exactly the abbreviation of NHAI? That is Highway Authority of India, National Highway Authority of India. So recently the chairman Sukhbir Singh Sandhu had taken over as a NHAI chairman. He is the Sikh. Next we have Ram Sevak Sharma. So Ram Sevak Sharma, he is the chairman and administrative council for COVID-19. Ram Sevak Sharma. You can remember during this situation also we are interested in making the Ram Mandir. So we can remember like that. So Ram Sevak Sharma has become the chairman for the administrative council for COVID-19. So you can remember like that. Next, he is prominent person of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. He is the chief of ISRO. He is the space secretary as well as chief. K. Sivan. You guys comment me what exactly K means. You may be asked in exams what is the abbreviation of K in Sivan. So he is a farmer's background. He is the one of the important. He had played prominent role in the Chandrayaan 2. Next, here we have, so there is some small correction. Chairman of DRDO, so Defense Research Development Organization, I had done some mistake. That is G. Satish Reddy. So he has become the chairman of DRDO. Here by mistaken, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu has been given. Don't worry. So he is the G. Satish Reddy has become chairman of DRDO. Next we have Rajiv Chaudhary. He is the director of Border Road Organization, BRO. That is Rajiv Chaudhary. So you can see him. So he has become the director of Border Road Organization. Next we have Shekhar Kapur. He has taken over as the chairman of Film and Television Institute of India. That is FTII. Shekhar Kapur. So he has nominated as the chairman for the FTII, that stands Film and Television Institute of India. Yashwardhan Sinha. So you can see him how exactly he looks. He is a Chief Information Commissioner, that is CIC. So he had taken over as the CIC, Chief Information Commission. Information given by whom? Yashwardhan Sinha. So like that you can remember. Next we have Sanjay Kothari. He is the Vigilance. Kothari Vigilance. Information. So you can remember like that. Information given by Yashwardhan Sinha and Vigilance given by Sanjay Kothari. So CVC stands Chief Vigilance Office Commissioner. So he has become the Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India, Sanjay Kothari. Next we have Sunil Arora. He has been nominated as the Chief Election Commissioner of India, that is Sunil Arora. So we knew that Reserve Bank of India Chairman, he is Shaktikanta Das. So here Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora has taken over, and Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, he had recently taken over as the Director General of Central Industrial Security Force. So he has taken over as the DG of CISF, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal or SK Jaiswal. Next, Rakesh Asthana. He has become the DG, the Director of the Border Security Force. Rakesh Asthana. Asthana BSF, Asthana Border, and here SK Jaiswal CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. Here Rakesh Asthana has taken over as the BSF. You can see the difference of the uniform also. So Asthana is the director of Border Security Force. This is one thing very important. Pradeep Kumar Joshi, who has taken over as the chairman of Union Public Service Commission. We knew that under the UPSC, all exams will be conducted. IAS, CAPF exams, NDA exam. So under the UPSC chairman now, Pradeep Kumar Joshi has been taken over as a chairman. Harivansh Narayan Singh. It is very important. He is the vice chairman of Rajya Sabha. His name is Harivansh Narayan Singh. Please remember, chairman of Rajya Sabha, vice president of India. So at present Venkaiah Naidu is the chairman of Rajya Sabha, but here vice chairman is Harivansh Narayan Singh. Next, P.D. Waghela. He is the chairman of TRAI. What exactly the abbreviation of TRAI? Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. So he has become the chairman of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. That is P.D. Waghela. You can see his left eye is little bit small. Waghela, he is Dila. So that left eye is very small. So he has become the chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. So you may be asked abbreviations also. Remember them. Now we have the Paresh Rawal. He is an actor. He is one of the greatest actor in comedy in Bollywood. So he has taken over as the chairman of the National School of Drama. So he is also one of the member of Parliament. So Paresh Rawal is the National School of Drama chairman. So remember like that. Andy Jassy. So here we know that CEO of Amazon. Before we knew that Jeff Bezos was there and he is the founder of that, and here the CEO Andy Jassy has been taken over at present. Next we have Nazhat Shabin Khan. She is the president of United Nations Human Rights Commission. Nazhat Shamim Khan. She belongs to the nation Fiji. So you can see her. She has taken over as the president of United Nations Human Rights Council. Next, Anil Soni. As you can see here, he is the CEO of World Health Organization. This foundation, he is from Indian origin. So we knew that foundation, whatever we have, the CEO of World Health Organization, it is not foundation, it is something funds. Okay, so you can directly check who exactly the DG of W Health Organization. Comment me in the comment section who is the Director General of World Health Organization. Give his name. He is an important person. You may be asked in exams. Whatever the questions I am asking, they are very important. Comment me in the section who is the DG of World Health Organization, but he is the Indian origin. His name is Anil Soni. So Anil Soni has taken over as the CEO of WHO Foundation. So you can directly go through internet if you want to go through that. Marcos Troizo. He has taken over as the president of New Development Bank, NDB. So his name is Marcos Troizo, has taken over as the president of New Development Bank. So these are the questions, very important. I want you guys to have a look. Steve Zurkis. So he is the one who has taken over as the administrator of NASA. His name is Steve Zurkis. So he has taken over as the administrator of NASA. See here, Director General of World Trade Organization. She is the Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. She has taken over as the Director General of World Trade Organization. You can see she is the African. She has become the Director General of World Trade Organization, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. So see her name, how exactly she looks like. Next we have Tokyo Olympic President. We knew that the Olympics will be held next 2021. Those Olympics will be held in Japan, that is Tokyo. So at present the president of this Tokyo Olympic, she is the Seiko Hashimoto. She will preside over the Olympics. Seiko Hashimoto. Here we have the Narwane. He has got the honorary rank and appointed as a General of Nepal Army. So here we have Indian Army as well as Nepal Army. So Nepal Army is General, that is honorary rank has been given to the Naravne and Naravne. And what we have to remember is who is the Chief of CNS of Navy, that is Admiral Karambir Singh, and Air Chief Marshal Air Force concerning head is Bhadauria, and comment me in the section. Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, that is Bipin Rawat. Now who is the General of the Army? I want you guys to comment in the comment section. Ashok Lavasa, he is the guy who has taken over as the Vice President of the Asian Development Bank. His name is Ashok Lavasa, and I want you guys to comment me who is the Reserve Bank of India head. I want you guys to comment me. President of Asian Development Bank, that is Masatsugu Asakawa. And who is the State Bank of India head? I want you guys to comment me. SBI head as well as LIC head. You may be asked these two, SBI head as well as LIC head. So next we have the Patrick Pichette. He is the chairman of the new board chairman for the Twitter. So he is Patrick Pichette. He has taken over as the chairman of new board, that is Twitter. Patrick Pichette. So these are the few important personalities. Next we have BAFTA. What exactly the abbreviation of BAFTA is? British Academy of Film and Television Arts. So this is the abbreviation of BAFTA, British Academy of Film and Television Arts. Recently the chairman has been taken over by the Krishnendu Mazumdar. You can see him how exactly he looks like. So Krishnendu Mazumdar had taken over as a BAFTA chairman. Next we have Director General of World Health Organization. I had already asked this question for you, don't worry. Tedros Adhanom, he is the Director General of World Health Organization. Next we have UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Executive Director, her name is Henrietta Fore. She has taken over as the Executive Director of UNICEF. Next we have Secretary General of United Nations Organization. This headquarters is located in New York, which is formed 24th October 1945. Secretary General of United Nations Organization is Antonio Guterres. Next, very important one, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Recently in 2021, he was a chief guest during the time of Republic Day parade. His name is Chandrika Prasad Santokhi. So he is the head of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. As you can see, he is from which place? He belongs to which place? What exactly he is? If you want, you guys comment me in this section. Who is exactly Chandrika Prasad Santokhi and who has come recently as a chief guest of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2021. And I want you guys to comment who is the chief guest during the time of Republic Day Parade 2021 and what exactly he is. Chandrika Prasad Santokhi is from which place and what exactly is posting. So you guys have to comment. So you may be asked any questions relevant to this guy Chandrika Prasad Santokhi. So next we will discuss about summits what exactly the summaries we have, which are very useful for all exams. So thank you guys. I hope this video will help you a lot. I want you guys to go through them. Have a good day. Have a great life.